Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a phone number on your Walmart account. Open the website walmart.com, then click on Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign in or Create Account. Click on Sign in or Create Account. Now enter your email address. After entering, click on Sign in. Then, enter your password. Once entered, click Sign in. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Account. Click on Account. Then you will see several options at the left side menu. Under Manage Account is an option for Personal Info. Click on Personal Info. On this page, you will see a section for Add Phone Number. On its right side is an option for Add. Click on Add. Before you proceed, enter the verification code sent to your email address. After entering, click on Submit Code. Now you could add the phone number you wish to use. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on the Text Me button. Next, enter the verification code sent to the phone number you provided. After entering, click on Continue. That's how you add a phone number on your Walmart account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.